Hello friends, hope you are doing well. I am Akshay and welcome to my channel. So in the today's video, we are going to see the basics or the overview of the Object Studio. So let's start with the video first. So in the left hand side, we are getting the stages in the Object Studio. So there are different stages which are available in the Object Studio. So there are some stages which are available in the Object Studio itself but not in the Process Studio. These stages are read, write, navigate, code stage and the wait stage. These are the 5 stages which are available only in the Object Studio but not in the Process Studio. So after that, in the Object Studio there are two by default options we are getting in the Object Studio are, first is the initialize action and another is the cleanup action. So let's talk for the initialize. So initialize action, when we are calling any object, initialize action get called and initialize would load the object on the Blue Prism database. So initialize action get called automatically. We don't need to call the initialize action by our own. So after that, initialize action works as a constructor and next action is the cleanup action. So in the cleanup action, when we come out of any object, so cleanup action would get called and it would clean up the memory which got assigned to that object previously. So cleanup action also it is called gets called automatically and we don't need to call the action cleanup action. It works as a destructor. So after that, there is one more option which is available in the Object Studio is application modular. So application modular, with the help of application modular, we are awareing our external our Blue Prism about the external application. So by double clicking on the application modular, we are opening the application modular. So here we have to define the application model first. So we can create the new model, otherwise we can share the application model of other objects also. So just I am clicking on the new application model and I am clicking on the next button. So here application modular says about the application, the type of application. So first one is the Windows application or the Java based application we are using, otherwise the browser based applications. So browser based application are the applications which are Chrome based application or the Firefox based applications, and the another option is also there the Internet Explorer for the browser based applications. Similarly, if we are working on the mainframe applications, so that we can go with the mainframe applications too, as well as Citrix applications if the Citrix application is there. So by clicking on the next, we are getting the another screen as the whether our application is launched by executable file or our application is launched already and we have to just connect it. So depending on your performer requirement, you can select the proper option from it. So after clicking on the next, we have to give the path of that application whichever we have to launch from the object. So here we have to give the path. For that we have to browse from here. So right now I'm not browsing any application or calling any application in the Blue Prism, because in the further videos we have to discuss on the web based applications too, as well as the desktop based applications in the further videos. So I am closing it. So these are the basic overview of the Object Studio. So in the upcoming videos we are going to see the desktop automation as well as the web based automation in the upcoming videos. So hope this video is helpful to you. If yes, please share this video with your friends, as well as don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.